Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria mubango wa kuheana motaro kuri mbeu njithi na makiria aria makoretwo magumiirwo ni thina wa unyui wa njohi thukuru-ini wa University wa Daystar, mutumia wa munini wa President Pastor DORCAS RIGATHI augite ihinda ni ikinyu muingi ukorwo ukihimbiria andu acio. Kuringana nake aingi makoretwo magumiirwo ni thina wa meciria, akiuga ni ehotorete gukorwo aking'ethanira na thina uyu na njira ya kumahura njeki kuria mangikorwo marabatara.
Take control of the mind and have a family that is supportive and a community around you that understands you. It is possible to overcome and to live with a condition, and that condition, it becomes your platform even to be able to help others.
Kuhimbiria na kuonia wendo aria magumiirwo ni thina uyu, Pastor DORCAS augite guguteithiriria andu acio kwitikira, agikinyiriria ati namba nene yao irikaga unyui-ini wa njohi kumana na kinyururi kiria matungagio matura-ini.
They do not recognize or note age, status or where you work. It cuts across all of us. And therefore, that is why we are here saying we need to embark on this journey of us expressing ourselves, of talking of the issues that we are going through.
Culture has not appreciated the matters of mental health.
Pastor DORCAS akoretwo agiteithiriria mbeu njithi kuma ukombo-ini wa njohi na njira ya kumahe motaro hamwe na mathomo matiganite kuria ningi macokaga gwetherwo mawira niguo mahote kwirugamirira.
Don't change you as a person. Change the way you do things, relate and find someone to talk to.
Ona gukiri uguo mbeu njithi ni moritio gwithema uhuthiri wa indo itari na kiguni miri-ini yao na ithenya-ini riu gwika maundu maria mangimateithiriria kimuturire.
Mental health is not a personal issue but a societal responsibility. If one of us is not affected, I am sure we have had an experience.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.